So here's a look at room 7142 at MGM Grand Las Vegas. It's a non-smoking tower suite. And I'm actually surprised they've given me something quite as nice as this on a regular comp. So as you come in, you've got a really nice seating area. Excuse my luggage. And then a TV and drawers there. And around the side here is the fridge, which as per usual has no space for your own stuff, all chargeable. And there's a dining table. Now these tower suites only go up to the 12th floor because of the shape of the building. So you're never going to get great views. They're sort of right at the end of the corridors, so it's a walk and a half to the elevator each time, I tell you. There's 2 on each floor, from what I can see. But that's not too bad. It's not too bad of a view. At least I'm not looking at air conditioning units or something. It's a bit of a glimpse of Cosmo in the background there. And then into the the bedroom area. You've got a writing desk, another telly here, and a huge bed which is exceptionally comfortable. And then all your closet space is in here, along with iron and ironing board. And then you have this really nice bathroom which sort of connects the 2 areas. So his and hers sinks. Your toilet is around there. And then you have a tub with a shower, which is odd really, because you then have another shower here. But anyway, I suppose if there's 2 of you, you can both have showers at the same time. And then you go back out to the living area again. As I said, I don't really understand why I got offered this room as a regular comp, because I'm just M Life Gold. I've managed to achieve it again during this trip, so I'm good for 2022 as well. But every other offer I had for Luxor, Excalibur, for this particular time was literally just for regular rooms. Some reason MGM Grand were out on their own with a suite, so I thought, well, why not? Now, last time I was here, I stayed at a Staywell room, you may remember that. And the bed was so hard I couldn't sleep on it, and it was absolutely dreadful. This bed is the polar opposite of that. So I would thoroughly recommend one of these rooms. Or really any room with an MGM. I think they're all pretty good, and this is very spacious for one, isn't it? Anyway, so there you go. That's my room at MGM Grand. I hope you enjoyed, and I will speak to you soon. Take care.